Why am I still running the camera? There's too much editing. Delete all this. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. My last video, or my last hair tutorial, I hid my nappy ponytail underneath this wig. Quick little hair hack. This is definitely not All of Destiny. I don't know who that is. She needs to do her hair. Okay, hold on. She's about to. So I'm going to take my little hair catcher that I got from Dollar Tree. And yes, I'm about to wash my hair in the sink. My sink. Cue the ASMR moment. Starting off by wetting my hair with warm water. I do that for quite a bit of while, but of course, you know how YouTubers are. This video is nicely edited for your viewing pleasure. I'm taking the Ketoconazole Shampoo. This one is 2% and was prescribed to me by my dermatologist. In case you don't keep up with my dermatologist vlogs, I take you all with me to my appointments because I have a dermatologist now, because my scalp used to be a flaky, itchy, dirty, disgusting, hot mess. Or at least that's what I read. At my most recent appointment, which I did vlog for you all as well, I was told that I have something going on along the lines of the psoriasis family. I'll link that vlog down below for you all to check out. This product has to sit in place for 5 minutes and then I'm going to rinse that out. Follow up on the dermatologist approved wash day routine, which that video will be linked down below. It was my first time using these products if you're curious. I haven't really experienced any noticeable side effects either from the scalp injections, the ointment, or this shampoo. And my scalp looks really good, so that's the best part. I am following up with a second shampoo of choice because hello, rinse, lather, repeat. So today I'm using the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. This one is from the Manuka Honey and Yogurt line. I don't ball my hair up on my head like a shampoo commercial. I do let my ends hang freely and then I rinse this out. What are we giving the girls? Very much clean scalp, very much clean hair, very much curls, and so glad I have a dermatologist now. Time for a little deep conditioning after this ASMR moment. So I'm using the Lovely Bees Oh Honey Moisture Mask. It has honey, aloe vera, avocado, and olive oil. Following the directions, it says for me to apply this to my hair, massaging from roots to ends. Your two options: you can cover your hair with a plastic cap and let it soak for 30 minutes, or sit under your hooded dryer or steamer for 20. I sat under my hooded dryer on high heat for 20 minutes, and this is the perfect time to detangle my hair as well, as opposed to that dry ponytail from the beginning. So we didn't lose much hair in this wash day, which is pretty good considering that my hair was in that ponytail day to day without me combing through it. After I came from underneath the dryer for those 20 minutes, I lounged around. I got something to eat. I was just like, I do have to finish my hair, huh? So here we are, rinsing this out, and the water isn't as warm as it was when I was doing the shampooing process. I go a little bit cooler with it just to seal in the moisture. You can see that my hair is really like shiny, just my own strands, without even having any product currently on my hair and just rinsing out the hair mask. But that's what I love the most about this mask. Even if I leave my hair in those low ponytails for days and they look so dry, this product gets me all the way together every time. I would rather not discuss this, but since a lot of people do in the comments, did you know that they have products that exist that you can wash your sink out with after you're done washing your hair? And what do you know, these products really just kind of popped up out of nowhere. Like, I had no idea they existed. So I figured, hey, I should share this valuable information with you all instead of omitting certain parts from my videos like YouTubers do sometimes. Not much hair lost in our hair catcher, so that's a plus. And I agree, I'm wasting valuable hair tutorial time showing this step, huh? But I don't want to hear it. And that's on what? Period. Leaving the microfiber towel on my hair for a few moments, I was able to soak up some of the water out of my hair. Most of the tutorials I watched on YouTube, people did this style on damp hair, not necessarily soaking wet. I'm taking the Lovely Bees Leave It Be Leave-In Conditioner and applying a generous amount of this throughout the section, detangling that with a wide or shower tooth comb. Next up, I'm taking some gel. Mine is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to apply a good amount of this to my hair as well. I should have checked my stash first. I'm kind of low on oil, but I'll do the best with what I have. This Cantu detangling brush helps me to smooth the products throughout my hair, and shrinkage is real. Let me just say that. This is the Shine and Jam conditioning gel. You don't have to use 2 different gels. This is my first twist out, so when I do my hair, I kind of just play around with different things just to see, you know, what's what. After I twist my hair, I spiral the end around my finger to make sure that it's curly as well. The process is basically the same thing over and over. Starting off with the leave-in conditioner, I'm detangling my hair, twisting it down to the end. In some sections I chose to do a flat twist, and then in some other sections I just chose to do a simple 2-strand twist. The reason for that was, with this being my first twist out, I wanted to see what the difference with definition would be in my takedown with these two methods. As I get to the front sections, this is when I began to apply the ointment that my dermatologist prescribed to my scalp before I twist down my hair. One thing I do like about this twist out is I'm able to really reach a lot of my scalp to apply these products. Following right back up with the Lovely Bees Leave It Be conditioner, then I apply the gel, detangling my hair through, and then I'm twisting my hair down. In the front sections, I decided to do the flat twist as well. It's sort of like starting off the shape. I felt like in my mind, it was like if I twist it like this, I'm basically telling my hair where I want the style to be already, versus trying to untwist the individual little sections and then trying to style and shape the hair. I don't know, maybe I was just thinking too hard about things, but I'm still doing a little bit of both. Some are twisted all the way down. I think people call these flat twists, and then the other little 2-stranded ones I did in the back. And then just spiral it around my fingers to make sure that the ends are curled. I don't want this to really be tutorial style because it is my first twist out, but I am explaining the process and the steps of what I chose to do. We still have an entire section to go, but I may as well get a thumbnail option out of all of this. So once I got to the opposite side, I decided to go ahead and begin applying the products to this entire section. Get all of the products on there, and then start doing my parting, applying of the ointment, and then twist. That way I can just keep going at like a faster pace. Like by now, I'm almost a twist out pro. I'm figuring it out. So I think next time I do this, I'm gonna do all flat twists. Like I like the way that it look when you untwist it. If it's like all twisted down onto the scalp, sort of like braids. When you take your braids down, it's like you've already aligned your hair in the way that you want it to go, and then you just unbraid it. But instead with twists, now that's a twist. I do like the combination of these products very well. My curls were very defined. I will use these products in an upcoming wash and go as well. And as far as putting on a bundle or a scarf, I didn't do that until all of the products sort of like soaked into my hair very well and I didn't see any white. That way I wouldn't really flatten my hair down. I'm a homebody, so I didn't untwist my hair for about 2 days. When I did leave the house, I just like put a hat on for my workout. It's 2 days later, guys, and I'm going to go ahead now and take down my twist. I was kind of mixing all of these oils. I'm kind of out, and I didn't go to the beauty supply store to pick up oils. Vitamin E oil, I actually use this on my body after my shower, but it's just vitamin E. And this one is a Sulfur A oil that also has wild growth oil in it. As my oils get low, I kind of just pour them all into one container. Sort of like how people do when they mix up their own DIY hair growth oils, like avocado, olive. I should mix that up a bit. Apply this all over my scalp, since I have the pleasure of being able to reach my scalp opposed to trying to reach my scalp once I take the twist down. Fit this one on top of it is better, the Dew Growth applicator. Yep, there we go. I can see the product coming out. Hoping. This is my first twist out, so everything is an assumption until I begin untwisting my hair. Thumbnail, please. Back just in case. Now that I have this oil all throughout my hands as well, that's going to be key for preventing frizz. Let us begin. Start in the back. I've seen people undo theirs just straight from the root and just pull. If I hold this one, I can see that there is space sort of right here. I'm just nervous that too much separated, I'll lose my definition. Spiral my hair in the same direction that it was twisted. Shirt change, because obviously the camera doesn't like black too much. So let's talk about the fact that I was posted to YouTube's Instagram. I was just like completely happy about that. So long story short, I'm sitting on the couch minding my business, watching YouTube videos as usual, doing nothing with my life, right? Out of nowhere I get a notification from YouTube and I'm like, YouTube is definitely not DMing me. So I'm assuming maybe it's just spam. Someone is about to try to fake pretend to ask me for my username and my password and that it's urgent. Like, you know, that kind of spammy type of stuff. I'm loving the way this is turning out. I opened the DM and I see that I have been tagged in a story on YouTube's Instagram page. So I go to the beginning of their story to see what's going on, right? YouTube asked their followers to nominate their favorite rising black creators. And so one of my followers, Rain Shanti, she's she's the one that nominated me, and YouTube, they tagged my name and also tagged and it said nominated by. I'm thinking to myself, out of the millions of followers that YouTube has on Instagram, 23.8 million today, right now. I have like 30,000 followers on my Instagram, and even when I post to my story to interact with you guys, I get a lot of responses. I know if YouTube asks people to reply to something that they've got lots of responses. Long story short, they posted 4 people yesterday to their story, and I was one of those 4 people that was able to get recognized by YouTube. Like, imagine that, to be recognized as a YouTuber by YouTube. I can talk about it today because I'm more calm and I'm not like boohoo crying like I was yesterday. Happy about the entire matter, beyond grateful for the whole thing. Like, my heart is happy. I'm happy about that. Out of all the people that probably were nominated, YouTube didn't have to pick me to nominate. And I know maybe it doesn't mean a single thing. It's like, okay, whoop-de-doo, YouTube posted you to their Instagram story. People post people to their stories all the time. But out of all of those people to be chosen by YouTube, that's a big accomplishment. It's millions of us on this platform, you know? I'm super happy about that on yesterday. A lot of you all did tag me and repost me a message saying congratulations. If not for anything else, I said the same thing on my Instagram. You could do anything that you want to do, all while being yourself, whoever that self is, without having to change, conform, or adapt to the way anyone else does things, and still be recognized. And not only that, but you never know who's rooting for you, who's supporting you. Like I said, she didn't have to tag me at all. I'm pretty sure she probably watches a lot of YouTubers, but to even think enough of me to tag me, you know? So now we have everything untwisted. Just gonna fluff. I see some people use their hands as picks, so I'm gonna do that. Before I fluff, let me show you what we have. I hope my lighting is good. Look at the definition on this side. Come on, camera, work with me here. Like, it's not shaped to anything at all. It's just here. And then I can't decide if my part should be centered. Oh my God, this is stressing me out all the way out. And I feel like the more I keep touching it, I'm ruining it. But I can't figure out my styling. And I'm watching everybody's twist out videos, and they seem to know how to style theirs perfectly. Then there's me. Okay, so I'm going to take this edge brush. Lovely Brianna sent this to me. Shout out to her. She's a fellow YouTuber. I'll have her information down below, guys. I didn't even notice this when I put my unboxing on my Instagram story. Look at that. Paying attention to the small detail. I don't even want to open it. It's so cute. It's like a little bee right here. Like, I love this. I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges. I'm using the Lovely Bees Edge Control to lay and slay my edges. Shout out to Lovely Brianna. Special thank you for sending me out these products. I really appreciate it. Make sure you all go and subscribe to her channel, by the way, and check out her hair products. Young black creators are out here doing their thing, okay? And we're both cancers, so y'all know she lit. Instagram Live is getting me all the way together right now. If y'all don't like what I come up with, blame them, okay? They telling me what to do right now. Yeah, I'm following them. Pineapple, maybe? Oh, don't even get me started on the pineapple topic. My hair's so short, it can't pineapple nothing. This is because I want it in my face and it's not falling that way. Twist, take out the boss pin over here. But yeah, I'm going to pineapple when it gets old, but I do it with my banana clip. I'm sure y'all seen this style plenty of times. This is what Instagram Live helped me to come up with, so shout out to them. Y'all want to say hey? Bobby pin it and then just let it hang like that. I know y'all gonna ask. Instagram said it'll look better over the course of the day, so we're gonna take their word for it because they normally don't lie to me. Other than that, I like it. Ooh, y'all got me all the way together. Oh my. If you don't like it, just don't tell me. So I do have a few more pieces I can fluff as the days go on. It's big. My hair never looked this big before. To really show what this hairstyle looks like in person. Help of my Instagram followers. Shout out to you guys for tuning into my live. This is it for my twist out. So that's pretty much it for my first twist out. I absolutely love the way my results turned out. Super glad that I finally decided to give a twist out a try. I've gotten lots of compliments and comments, even in person as well as on Instagram. All of the products that I use will be listed in my description box down below. If you click on the screen, you can check out more videos on my channel. Or click on my cute little face to subscribe, and I will talk to you all in my next upload.